All right, guys, let's talk about the let's talk about the CRST versus Montoya case, where the court has said anything over 8 hours of sleeper berth for a team driver, you must be paid minimum wage for. They did not say like where it's based off of. Probably the company, the state of the company. So they can no longer make you just sit back there for free. And they were trying to say, well, this was the driver's time. They could get on the internet, they could read a book, they could make a meal. And that was the extent of what they could do, pretty much. You can't exercise, you can't have a good meal, you can't go to the grocery store, you can't go for a walk, you can't even sleep in peace because you have a rumbling engine going down the road. You have a driver listening to music or talking on the phone. Like, team drivers are on the clock 24/7. End of story. You're always responsible. If something happens and you're in the sleeper berth, guess what you're doing? You're getting up and you're going to help. It even says in the CRST handbook that you may occasionally be asked to help a driver position the truck. No, I'm off duty. But they're able to take advantage of us because we don't speak up. Because we're so worried, and I get it, I'm that guy too. I'm guilty. We're so worried about making the dollar, paying the bills, taking care of the family, losing the job. Somebody told me this one time, and when I started living by this, my life changed. Some say for the worse, I say for the better. You came here looking for a job, you're going to leave here looking for a job. So don't be scared to lose the job or quit the job. I don't recommend quitting until you have another one. But if you don't stand up for yourself, it doesn't matter where you go. It does not matter. These mega fleets are nothing more than driver mills. Okay? They trained you their way. You go through all their mumbo jumbo schooling, training, rules, and then they put you in an 8 to 10 month contract where you can't leave. They treat you like shit. They don't pay you enough. And then at the end of the time, you decide to leave. But it's fine. Because you just drove that truck for a year for 25 to 35 to 40 cents a mile because you were training and they made so much money off you it doesn't matter. They'll just put the new guy in the seat. Well, it's coming to the point where people just don't want to do it anymore. CRST and these mega fleets, they have more lawsuits for driver treatment than anything else. Until drivers stand up for themselves, it will never change. Never, never change. Because they're going to find another loophole. Right? So now all team drivers are going to be least. This is not per them. This is my opinion, what I think could happen. Okay? This is HSD. This is David's opinion. Now all they got to do is say, oh, this team is an owner-operator team. They get paid 60% of the truck. 30% each. But they never actually lease or own the truck. Right? Now they get out of paying that stuff. But that's for another video. So, make sure you know your laws, guys. Let me know down below, what do you think? What do you think about this? Is this stuff being exposed helping the industry or hurting the industry? Know your laws, know the rules. Do not be scared to stand up for yourself. If you got any questions, hotshotwedge@gmail.com. You got any stories you want to see covered? Hit them there, hotshotwedge at Gmail. Like, share, subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Peace.